Very good morning, all of you. Myself, Kameshwar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of MCA, IIMT College of Engineering. Today's my topic is Artificial Intelligence and its type. Now we are going to discuss about the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence agent is the digital entity designed to perceive its environment and act automatically to achieve specific goals of tasks. These agents utilize algorithm, data, and computational power to make decisions and interact with their surroundings, often emulating human like the behavior or problem solving abilities. Here is the artificial intelligence task utilize the algorithm. Which kinds of algorithm utilized by the artificial intelligence? Now we are going to discuss here the text types of the matters handled by the support vector machine algorithms, image types of the data, K-means algorithm used by the artificial intelligence agents. Now, here are the some figures looking here. Environment, effectors, action, perception, and sensor. 5 things are there which make the artificial intelligence. How it work, the function of the artificial intelligence. First of all, we are going to express here the introduction of an AI typically involve the several keys component which are perceptions. First is the perceptions. What is the perception? The agent collect the information from its environment using behavior sensors in input mechanism. These could involve the processing text, image, sound, or other form of the data. So first of all, the agents make the perceptions. After that, it's take the inputs through the perception from the users, and after that, it's realize and reasoning, solve the reasonings. What is the reasoning? Once data is collected, the AI agent employ the algorithm and logic to analyze and interpret this information. This step by involve pattern recognition, decision-making process, or other form of the cognitive reasonings. So different kinds of reasoning solved by the agents, which take from the users and solve through these algorithms these kind of the reasonings. Now, third is the decision making. Through the solving of the reasonings, the agent able to take the decision making. How? Based on its analysis, the AI agent select the appropriate actions to take in order to achieve its objectives. These decisions may be deterministic based on the predefined rules or probabilistics, incorporating elements of the uncertainties. So these kind of decision making, the artificial intelligence solve through the algorithms. Now, after the solving this decision making, it's go to the actions through the equator. The action is finally the AI agent execute its chosen actions, which may involve the interacting with the environment, generating outputs, or communicating with the other agent or systems. So these are the 5 kinds of the keys which perform the artificial intelligence actions through the equator, change into the environment. Now, we are going to discuss how the artificial intelligence work and what is the framework of the artificial intelligence. Here is the showing how does an artificial intelligence work. So autonomous AI agent flow diagram. Here is the first user are there. Here is the users which provides the objective and task to the task queues. Number of tasks are there which are going one by one to the task queue, through the task queue. The first provide the task through the users. After that, it's completed the task and go through the execution agent, GPT. GPT means guide partitions tables. Through the execution guide partition tables, the send the task through the task creation agent. After that, the task creation agent execute the process and solve the reasoning of the problems. After that, it's action through the equators, and then uh, personalize the task and complete the task through these mechanisms. So these are the process of flow of agent automatically works. Now we are going to discuss how many types of agent are there, because the agents are working initially through the quick response or the current situations the artificial intelligence can handles. After that, it's improve in this artificial intelligence, and now we are going to the propose the new model of the artificial intelligence. After that, the next is there are the 5 kinds of the artificial intelligence types. First is the simplex reflex agent. Second is the model-based agent. Third one is the goal-based agent. Fourth one is the utility agent. And fifth one is the learning agent. So these kinds of the 5 types of the agent which are proposed now today. First is the simple reflex agent. So artificial intelligence can categorize into the various types based on their characteristics, functionalities, and underlining the technologies. Here are the some common types of artificial intelligence. Now, first we are going to discuss about the simple reactive agent. So here is the how to function the simple reactive agent. These agents operate based on the set of the predefined rules or conditions and response directly to stimuli form of the environment. They can have memory or the ability to learn from the past experience. Example including the thermostat, controllers, or basic game boots. These are the examples. So how to work the simple reactive agent? Now we are going to discuss in the simple ways. The simple reflex agent work on the if-then conditions. It means there are the some certain types of conditions then solved by the agents. So these kinds of functions performed by the simple reflex agent, and it is the fully observable. What is the fully observable? Fully observable means ki the environment, through the environment, the agent take the inputs and analyze them. After that analyzing, he getting the some inputs from the environment. After that, he realized about the past of the what is the happen in the past. These kind of condition happen or not, they match the past conditions. After that, it's go to the final goal. Then if then condition is off, what is the how to work the if then conditions rules? If just let's suppose we have the AC in the rooms. So first we are going to intelligent the system. If the temperature is less than 45 degree, the AC will be on. So these are the conditions, and these conditions taken from the environment, the AC currently take the answers through the current perceptions, and it's quickly at once responds the things. It's take the inputs, the conditions is less than 45, greater than 45-degree temperatures, the AC will be on. So there are the certain kinds of conditions, and it take at once and it's take at once actions currently, and the AC will be on. So these are the at once taken conditions, simple reflective agents. So here are the some kinds of the environment, and the sensor observe the temperature is 45 degree. So what the word is like now, 45 degrees temperatures, and it's certain times it's take the action and the AC will be on. That actions I should do now. These conditions, the actuators activate the actions and the AC will be on. After that, simple reflective agents, it's not on the model based type of agents. So what is the difference between the model type agent and reflex agent? The reflex agent quickly take the actions, get the input and take the answers, take the actions against it. The model based agent, it's realize the problems and searching here, there the certain types of conditions are also follows. There are the some persons are available in the rooms or not. But simple reflexive agent, this cannot happen. And model based agents first realize if the room are empty or not. These conditions applies, then the model based agent will be introduced. So what is the model based conditions? Here are the model based conditions. Ki first search, there are the some kinds of element present in the room or not. And if the anybody present in the room, they take AC or not. Means ki they want to activate or on the AC or not. Is required for the AC or not required for the AC. So these are the model-based reflex agents perform. It's take the certain types of conditions. These agents maintain the internal model of their environment and use it to make decisions. They can handle partially observabilities by the maintaining and internal state. What is the internal state? Does anybody's available in the room or not? These are the internal states. However, they still operate based on the predefined rule and does not have the learning capabilities. So here are the environment. The perception is switch on the AC. After that, the model-based systems just going to the search key antibodies are present in the room or not, and what the word is like, what is the state of the rooms, and what is the internal state of the room, how the word involves, what my actions to do if the anybody present in the room. So what my actions? Switch on the AC. If the anybody present in the room and they does not want to take the AC, then no switch off, switch on the AC. So these are the certain types of conditions the model based will be performed. Now we are going to discuss about the goal based agent. So what is the goal based agent? Goal based agents have explicit goal or objective that they aim to achieve. They use reasoning and planning the algorithms to select actions that bring them closer to their goals. These agents often have a more sophisticated internal representations of the words and can handle the complex task. So how to handle the complex task? Here are some certain types of the goal. The goal will be already fixed. So how to achieve the goals? Through the reasonings and past history, the current conditions, then we can achieve the goal. what is the inputs and what is the outputs, and after that getting the inputs and what is the given by the outputs. These are happen by the searching and planning by the goal-based agent. So here are the sensors, sense the anything from the environment, and what is the word is like now that it will going to the state and how the words involves and what my actions to do. One thing also add here, the what it will be like if I do the actions. Means first we have getting the input through the environment. After getting the input, we are going to plannings and searching the achieving goals through the past history and the current situations of the state. We can find out the result. So the goal-based agent, these kinds of actions perform. Now we are going to discuss here the utility-based agent. So what is the utility-based agent? Utility-based agent make the decision by involving the expected utilities or values of a different actions. They consider not only the achievement of the goal, but also the cost associated with them. These agents are commonly used in economics, game theory, and decision-making problems. So now, utility-based agent is the most feature of utilizations of the resources. So how to utilization of the resources? Through the, after the set of the goals, but also the cost associated with them. These are the most important thing, the cost associated with them. These agents are commonly used to the economics for it's realize the cost associated with achieving the goals. Means what? We are going to driving a cars and we are operate the GPS. Here are the showing the GPS the different kinds of the routes for achieving the goals. But the some routes are the very long, some routes are the short, some routes are the short but busy, some routes are the very clear. So there are the certain types of the problems and we find out the easy way of going and cost effective routes we can find through the utility based agent. So here are the save the current situations and compare with the histories and then take the actions and which is the cost effective. We achieve the goals through the cost effectively. So these are the utility based agent which are perform the actions through the equators but through the cost effective paths. So these are the utility based agent which are perform the actions. Now we are going to the discuss about the learning agent. What is the learning agent? Learning agent have the ability to improve their performance over time through experience. They can learn from feedback, data, or interactions with the environment. Here are the machine learning techniques such as supervised learning, reinforcement learning, and unsupervised learning are often used to train these agents. So here are the clear the learning agent which are learning from the environment and take the necessary actions through the machine learning techniques, support vector machine and reinforced learning and unsupervised types of the learning. These agents take the input from the environment through the perceptions. After that perception, its critics are theirs. Critics means what? Perform which situations are perfect, you will know already. So there are the some types of error going through this performing the actions. He suggests you are going to the wrong ways. These types is known as the critics. This is say the critics. You can say the critics. Critics means you know the well about the conditions. And if you going to the wrong way, then the suggest you are going to the wrong way. These are the known as the critics. After then performing the critics, it's go the learning elements through the feedbacks. So here are the agents suggest you are going to the wrong way. Then we are going to the feedback, and what is the wrong options we are going to choose in, and we get the correct options after changing the performance of the elements. What is the performing of the elements? It's know already about the situations. And what can I perform this times? It is the mention in the performs based elements through the problem generators. Problem generator already suggests to the performance elements ki what can I do right times. So these kinds of the performance elements suggested by the problem generators, and after that the learning agent learn from the past, and problem generator generate the problems and getting the base solutions of these situations. After that, the effector effect and the action to be done through the environment. So these are the learning agents which are learned from the environment, and the some certain types of the steps we are followed by the learning agent. First is the critics, second is the learning element, fourth is the performance elements, fifth is the problem generators. So these kinds of the learning agent follow the rules and complete the learnings. So these are the 5 kinds of the agents which are going to discuss here. Now we are going what kinds of the agents perform the which kinds of the actions. Now the textual types of the agents, how to perform the actions, which means the first we are going to hear how to handle the text through the agent. We have the text, and in the text the certain types of problem are given, and how to exactly measure the sentiment of this sentence, just like a sarcastic sentence. My mobile processor working fast like a snail. These kinds of sentences, how to justify by the agent, yani AI agent. So there are the certain types of conditions which are follows by the agents and get the answers. So there are the 5 kinds of the elements, and now it is the certain types of agents also we have discussed in the futures. The linguistic based type of agent also we have discussed in the future. Thank you. Thank you so much.